Let's quickly look at how to place or open a leverage trade on Bybit. You are welcome to this video. I remain Nelson, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Also hit the like button to help YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to like-minded persons. Okay, first thing, you need to have a Bybit account. If you don't have a Bybit account, click on the link below this video, on the description of this video, and create a Bybit account. And once you use my link to create a Bybit account, you are going to be having opportunity to receive bonus of $4,000 plus. Yes, you can receive $4,000 bonus immediately you create a Bybit account and fund your account. Let's look at how we can use this exchange to do our future trading or derivative trading. First, you come on Bybit. This is the home page. Take your time to explore the app and get used to it. The first thing, you have to make a deposit on Bybit so that you'll be able to use your money to trade. So after you've deposited on Bybit, to deposit on Bybit is very simple. You come to wallet, you click on wallet at the bottom right corner, and you click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, you select any currency you are going to deposit. Let's use USDT for example. If you click on USDT, it's going to give you USDT. Then you have to select the network you want to deposit. So I will recommend you deposit TRC20. So this is going to be your TRC20 USDT wallet address. You copy this wallet address and send in your USDT from your private wallet or from another exchange like Binance. Okay, so after doing that, click on transfer so that you can move your money from the spot wallet to derivative wallet. So when you are trading on Bybit, you need cash on your spot wallet when you are trading on spot. But when you are going to be opening a leverage trade, you are going to be needing that money in your derivative account or wallet. So you select the currency you are sending. In our case, we are sending USDT. So when you select USDT, choose the quantity you are sending. If you are sending everything, you can click all, just like I did, and you click on transfer. So once you click on confirm transfer, automatically your USDT will be moved from your spot wallet to your derivative wallet. Now you click on derivative at the bottom middle. So once you look at this app at the bottom, you are going to be seeing derivative at the middle. Once you click on it, it gives you the derivative trading interface of Bybit. Then look at the top. Look at the topmost part of this screen. Right now, you are going to be seeing USDT Perpetua. You see USDC Perpetua. You see invoice and you see option. Now, in Bybit, you can trade USDT Perpetua or you trade USDC Perpetua. For newbies in the space, USDT is a stable coin and USDC is equally a stable coin. So for this tutorial, we are going to be using USDT, not USDC. So we are going to be focusing more on the USDT Perpetua. So we are going to be using the USDT Perpetua. So after the USDT Perpetua, you look below where you see USDT Perpetua. You are going to be seeing charts, then you see trade. If you click on charts, Bybit gives you the chart interface to analyze the price of the pair you are trading. So in this case now, we have BTC USDT. So this is Bitcoin chart on Bybit to help you analyze the market and to time your entry and all that. To learn more about technical analysis, click on the link below this video to join our community to learn more, or to equally learn more about leverage trade and how to become more profitable. Once you are in this interface, you already know where to go. Then you click on trade. If we select the trade again, it gives you the interface where you can buy and sell. Then under that bar where you can see chart, if you look under it, it gives you access to select the pair you want to trade. So currently the pair selected here is BTC USDT. So if I click on this BTC USDT, it gives me avenue to either search for the pair I want to trade or to select from the numerous pair Bybit has listed. Okay, so let me search for BNB. For those of us who love trading BNB, you can see we can find BNB. If I search for dots, good, you are going to see dots. So we are going to be focusing on BTC for this exact video. Then after that, you are going to be seeing cross margin or isolated margin, where you see cross 10x or 50x below BTC USDT. Now that talks about leverage. Okay, we are trading derivatives, so we have to use leverage. And what is leverage? Leverage helps you to maximize your capital. I'm having $100 here, but with 10x leverage, I can trade lot size of $1,000. What I mean by lot size of $1,000 is that I can open a position worth $1,000 because the leverage is going to be my capital multiply the leverage I'm using. So in this case, I'm using 10x. So 10x means 10 times my initial margin. When I mean margin, margin simply means my own capital I use in trading. Okay, so under BTC USDT, you see cross 10x. Now we have two kind of leverage. We have cross margin and we have isolated margin. Cross margin is a kind of trading you do where all your money is being used. So if I open a position with $10 on cross margin, then my remaining $90, as I have $100 right now, if I open a position of $10, the remaining $90 will still be utilized for the trade, which means I will only get liquidated when my $100 has been exhausted. But if my $100 is not exhausted, good and fine, my trade can still be running, and that is why it's called cross margin. Cross margin, you use everything. The trade is going to use all the money in your account. Okay, so for newbies, is advised you use isolated margin. Now, isolated margin gives you option to isolate a certain portion of your capital. Example, I have $100 and I open a position with $10 using isolated margin. What I've actually done is I've isolated $10 to trade. So it means if I lose, I can only lose my $10 and I'll still have $90 left. But if I'm using cross margin, I can't lose only $10 because it's cross margin. Everything is in line. So we are going to demonstrate that very soon. Then after the cross margin bar, once I click on that cross margin, you can see, if you look at the top where it said adjust leverage, you can see isolated. So when I click on isolated, it means I'm putting settings for isolated. Bybit gives you option to trade with as high as 100x leverage. Okay, so if I toggle this bar to the end, it means I have selected 100x leverage for the long positions. Longs means that we are buying into the market, or we are opening a position predicting or projecting that the market will go up. That means we are longing the market. So we are longing the market, anticipating that the price of the commodity we are longing, or the price of the asset we are longing, will go high. Okay, so Bybit separate these two leverage for you, long and short leverage. That is why you see two leverage here, 10x long and 10x short. So let's say I want to use 10x when I'm long in the market, but I want to use 50x when I'm shorting the market. I can do the settings this way. Okay, so that is how wonderful Bybit is. They give you this option to have different leverage for your short and your long positions. Okay, so this is for isolated. I can click on cross. If I click on cross at the top, then I can put settings for my cross margin. Okay, I hope we now understand leverage and cross margin and isolated margin. You know the order bar where you see the green and the red orders. This simply means the red orders are the selling orders and the green orders are the buying orders. Then if you look at the left, you can see open, then you see limit. Okay, so this has to do with your limits, market order. So if you want to learn more about this, join our community and ask for basic lessons to learn exactly how to place different kind of orders in exchange. Okay, so I expect by now you are you are experienced enough in trading to even study about leverage trading. So right here you have access to put where I just clicked. You say order price. This is where you put in the price you want to open a position, or you just tap on the price of the coin. It will automatically fill in for you. If you pick the price here, it will fill in for you. Then the quantity, this is the quantity of the contract you are opening. So if you want to open for 1 BTC, you can click on 1 BTC. So but the best thing to do, once you come here, instead of putting quantity, you just toggle this to utilize your own balance. Okay, so you can see as I'm toggling this, it's showing me the quantity of position I can open. This means 50% of my capital. Okay, then if you look under, just above where you see open long, which is written on green, you are going to see where it's specified order value is $535. Okay, so that shows me that the position I'm opening is going to be worth $535 position because I'm using 10x. Okay, now the other cost, which is the exact amount I will use to open this position, if you look above this bar that I toggle now, if you look above it, you see other costs where it shows $47.89. So it means I'll use $47.89 to open this position. Okay, but you know I'm using 10x. So because I'm using 10x, it's going to be 47.89 times 10, which is going to be giving us $473. So I'll use $47 to open a position worth $473 because I'm using leverage. To learn more about leverage and how to manage your risk, please click the link below this video to join our platform and to learn more about leverage trading. So let's do some practical. Right now I have this order here, so I can easily open a long position with 10x. Okay, so I'll click on open long. Bybit gives you this confirmation page to see order price, order quantity, order cost, order value, position, leverage, take profit, stop loss, estimated liquidation price. Liquidation price means the price BTC will get to and your money will be liquidated. Okay, time in force is showing good till cancel, which means this trade is going to be open till I decide to cancel it or till my take profit is activated. So I can click on confirm. So when I click on confirm, at the bottom you can see orders, and the order is showing is not open yet because the order has not been activated. Good, my order just became active and it moved from orders to position because this is an open position at the moment. So I have an open position. I'm longing BTC with a crossed margin. What this means is that I will get liquidated if my entire capital is exhausted. If my entire $100 is exhausted, that is why it's called cross margin. Then when you look at this, you see, if you look at this order, please pay attention to the order, to the open position. You see BTC by the right side is, you can see a little green long written, which shows that this is a long position. Then below it you see cross, is showing us the leverage we are using, which is 10x. Okay, position size is showing us that we open this trade and we open a contract with 0.023 BTC. So our entering price is 20,588.5. Then the current market price is 20,583.65. so that is the current market price, and currently the market is going against us, and that is why you can see above, you can see minus 0.11, which is unrealized profit and loss. Okay, so if you want to share this trade with people or let everyone know you are doing a leverage trade, if you look above by the right corner of this order, you are going to see unrealized profit and loss. If you click on the small arrow pointing up by the right corner, it will give you this interface. Okay, it will give you this banner to share, so you can easily share and let people know about your trade. So take your time to explore this. Then if you look under this order, you are going to see set TP and SL. Okay, so if you click set TP and SL, this simply means set take profit and stop loss. So I can decide to take my profit when BTC gets to 20,700. So if BTC gets to 20,700, I will be making $2.56, and the percentage is 5%. I must have made 5.4%. Okay, so my stop loss will be when BTC gets to 20,000. If you really want to learn about stop loss and everything about stop loss, do not forget to join our platform so that you can learn more. Okay, so this is how you can edit all this and place your stop loss. So once I've queued in what I want for my take profit and stop loss, I could click on confirm at the bottom. So after clicking on confirm, if you look at the open position at the moment, the place that was written TP/SL is now written 20,700 and 20,000. What it means is the first price there is my take profit price, and the last price after the forward slash is my stop loss. Then if I want to close this position, you can see close by. So when I click on close by, okay, it gives me the ability to close this position. So I can either close this position with market order or limit order. But if I'm closing position by myself, I'm certain that I want to close this trade either in profit or in loss. If not, I'm going to allow my take profit or stop loss to take me out of the trade. To learn more about all this, you can join our platform to learn more about leverage trade. Okay, so this is how simple it is. So if I click on confirm, I have closed this trade. Okay, I've closed this trade. To see your orders, you can click on all orders. If you look under, after where you see open short, look under, you see position written in white. Then at that same line, look at the right corner of it, you see a book sign written all orders. So when I click on all orders, I can click on current orders, which I don't have current orders. If I click on order history, it will give me my order history, and I can actually see my trade. If I click on realize profit and loss, it will show me more details about my order, how much I made and how much I lost. So that is how simple it is to open a trade. So to open a trade for isolated margin, all I need to do is I click on cross under BTC USDT. Once I click on it, I select isolated. So this means that any trade I open now, I will be opening it as an isolated margin. So most times we can tell you to open a trade as isolated margin. So that is how simple it is to open a leverage trade on Bybit. Look forward for this kind of videos, and also join our platform to learn more and master leverage trading and even spot trading. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. The more you like this video, the more YouTube is going to recommend this video to like minds. Click on the link below this video to register for Bybit and get as high as $4,000 registration bonus. That is huge. So I don't think you want to miss that. So use my link today to register on Bybit and get as high as 4,000 registration bonus.